Hi there, today I will be explaining about how to use Sudowrite on your computer. Using Sudo is very simple. What you have to do, simply open the browser which you prefer to use in your computer, and in the search bar, simply search for Sudowrite. Once you will search for it, if I scroll down here, you will see the official website of Sudowrite. In order to get access of it, click on the first link which you see. Now here it will ask to sign up your account. If you have the previous account, then you will see the icon of login on the right top, click on it, and use your previous account. But if you are new to Sudo and want to create a new account, this one is the option of sign up for free. And you can also use your Google account. Just click on this option and use your Google account. But before creating an account, first I will show you the pricing list of Sudowrite. This option is for pricing. And here are the pricing. It's only yearly basis if I switch to monthly. Now, these prices are on monthly basis. The first one is for $19.00, this one is for $29, and this one is $59. Each package has its own benefit and credits. It's up to you. You want to use it free, or you can also select the package that you want. For now, I will use the free plan of Sudo, and in that plan, I will get 10,000 get credit. I already signed in my account in Sudo, so that's why I will move to that. But if you have not, then you can use your Google account, and also your Facebook is easy to use for Sudo. So let me switch my account, which I used in Sudo. As you can see, it will be the welcome page of Sudo when you will try to sign up your account for the first time. Now you will see all the projects. And this one is the tutorial project. I will use this project, and I will show you the page of Sudo. So it's the page where you can write your stories, even you can brainstorm your ideas, and you can also rewrite the story if you already have. It is the first introduction of Sudo in order to use simply right here what you want, and then Sudo will do that for you, and it was the way by which you can use it quickly.